Welcome to Modern Homes and Gardens, where design meets nature. Transform your space, elevate your vibe. Architecture has always reflected the way we live, the resources we value, and the future we imagine. Today, a remarkable evolution is taking shape through sculptural 3D printed earthen walls, a breakthrough that combines timeless natural materials with advanced digital construction. This innovative approach is redefining how we think about sustainable luxury, proving that beauty, performance, and environmental responsibility can exist together in perfect harmony. For thousands of years, Earth has been one of humanity's most trusted building materials. Now, with robotic precision and modern engineering, it is being transformed into elegant architectural forms that were once impossible to create. Instead of relying on conventional construction methods, layered earthen walls introduce fluid curves, organic textures, and sculptural designs that bring warmth and character into every space. One of the greatest advantages of this technology is its ability to reduce waste while maximizing efficiency. Every carefully placed layer contributes directly to the structure, minimizing unnecessary materials and supporting a more responsible building process. This thoughtful approach not only benefits the environment, but also demonstrates how innovation can lead to smarter, cleaner, and more sustainable construction practices. Beyond sustainability, these walls create interiors that feel calm, welcoming, and deeply connected to nature. Their rich textures, natural colors, and handcrafted appearance provide a sense of authenticity that manufactured finishes often struggle to achieve. Every surface tells a story, blending ancient craftsmanship with the precision of cutting-edge technology. Another remarkable quality is the way earthen construction naturally supports indoor comfort. Its thermal properties help regulate temperatures throughout changing seasons, while its breathable composition contributes to healthier living environments. Combined with thoughtful architectural planning, these qualities create spaces that are not only visually stunning, but also practical and comfortable for everyday life. Perhaps the most exciting aspect of sculptural 3D printed earthen walls is the creative freedom they offer. Designers are no longer restricted to straight lines and repetitive forms. Instead, they can shape flowing curves, seamless transitions, and artistic architectural features that transform buildings into immersive works of art. Every project becomes a unique expression of creativity while maintaining structural integrity and environmental responsibility. As technology continues to evolve, sustainable architecture is becoming more accessible, more efficient, and more inspiring than ever before. Sculptural earthen construction represents a future where innovation respects tradition, where luxury embraces sustainability, and where design celebrates both people and the planet. It reminds us that the most extraordinary ideas often emerge when nature and technology work together rather than apart. Thank you for joining us on this journey of architectural innovation. If you enjoyed discovering groundbreaking ideas, sustainable design, and inspiring luxury architecture, be sure to subscribe to Modern Homes and Gardens for more incredible content. Together, let's continue exploring the future of beautiful, intelligent, and environmentally responsible living.